First of all, our economy is export-oriented. Our debt is lower than the EU average, and we already made a few reforms last year. So I really believe that we will solve our problems ourselves.
I think it will be a hard debate because a lot of countries are quite unhappy with the way things have evolved in the past in the Greece, but we now all recognize the efforts that were made by the Greek government.
I believe that we can and we will solve our problems ourselves.
On the one hand, IMF is quite positive as regards the efforts made by the Greek government. So as members of Troika, they were very positive about what was done in Athens.
Slovenia is absolutely not Cyprus. Our banking system is smaller than Cypriot banking system. Our banking system is even smaller than EU average banking system. So I believe, and once again, we can and we will solve our problem ourselves. We know how and we will.
Are you confident that you're going to be able to manage to stave off a bailout for Slovenia?
Yes, I'm quite confident. What we are doing now is actually we are putting together pieces of legislation regarding the bank bailout or the bank resolution. Then, of course, the law facilitating, the law Slovenians are holding, facilitating privatization.
The economists tell me Slovenia should think about asking for EU help or your help now and not wait for a crisis, not wait like Greece, not wait like Cyprus. Why not seek help now?
Because we don't need help, we just need time.